we are playing Sprunki Pyramixed again, but that is not just a regular one. It's of course, you know what? There is some OCs that we already saw in the 0.9 update, and those is that we haven't saw in, of course, the other mod. So let's check. At first we got one of my favorite soft drinks. I like Coca-Cola, right? So here we go. Let's go! But we also cannot forget about rocking. But it's also
Who can?
it's also an 18. We cannot forget about, well, you know what? For those who didn't know, the rainbow, well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters. They needed, of course, this means this is now beginning to be a regular Sprunky. But wait, do you know this is the bronze, silver, and gold? Wait, try again, no! Ah! Try again, ah, it's one. Okay, is it? Is it? We cannot also forget about something, guys. You need to say any Sprunkin, and if you say a random Sprunkin, I'm gonna place it, okay? Oh, it's a broken! Nice! Oh, it's a double! Okay, you can get the category is oh, it's a bonus! You also said that! Wait. If there was sodas, I know what you're thinking. Do you know that I like Sprite? There's a Sprite one already, but what if there's a Coca-Cola? What if there's a Royal one? What if there's a Royal Sprunky here? Because Royal is a soft drink, right? Anyways, look at this. It sounded beautifully, so of course, we have the top 7. First up, we got the top 7. test this the well. See? It's the same instrument. And for the grand finale, it's of course rock. Yeah, rock. This is the Amen book. But it's also not just the Amen book because it is just something that it's rock mixed together with hip-hop also. I think the hip-hop we're gonna add random. Because sometimes we have oh! This is rock band. Okay, thank you so much.